Imagine a world where families are not traumatized by the child welfare system, but healed by it.
Imagine asking how I can help instead of who's to blame.
Imagine a place where parents had the resources necessary to be the best parents they could be.
Dependency Advocacy Center, we call it DAC, is a family defense legal services organization, and we provide representation to parents and children in Santa Clara County's child welfare system.
Right this way.
Our clients love their children and care about their well-being. They want to be good parents, but they're facing a multitude of issues: substance abuse, domestic violence, mental health, incarceration. Almost all of the families we serve are experiencing poverty and trauma.
Dependency court refers to the fact that the children are dependent on the court for their care, as opposed to their parents, that those children depend on us for their care, custody, and control. Dependency Advocacy Center represents the parents in dependency court and a small percentage of the children. When I say represents, they are the legal representatives. They appear in court. They sit at the table next to their clients. They make sure that their clients feel comfortable. They are experts.
Imagine a world where every parent had access to the resources that they needed to raise their child the way that they wanted to.
Imagine a world where fathers are no longer overlooked.
Imagine if the removal of a child really was the last resort.
DAC utilizes an interdisciplinary legal services model. We don't just provide attorneys, we also provide social workers and mentor parents to help assist families as they're navigating a really difficult and challenging path.
I am a mentor parent here at DAC. As mentors, we help other parents navigate this system. Someone that's been through it is probably best able to advise someone on how to go through it.
Imagine parents reunifying with their children through the court process without ever feeling shame.
We believe that the best way to help these families be successful in the long term is to provide a holistic approach to advocacy. Santa Clara County is really a collaborative county when it comes to child welfare. Some of our partnerships include numerous community-based organizations that really focus on bettering outcomes for families in our community. But that's not where the advocacy stops. We are also involved in system transformation work, both locally and statewide and nationally, trying to bring some of our innovative programming to other jurisdictions across the country. We have been focusing on prevention and early intervention work to go further upstream to help families before they're in crisis, before they need to come into the formal court system.
Dependency Advocacy Center is a model organization providing what we consider as the gold standard of how to represent low-income parents in child welfare cases and how to keep children out of foster care most effectively.
One of the exciting things that DAC has been able to do in the last 10 years was really spearhead a county-wide celebration of family reunification.
At the Family Reunification Celebration, families were presented who were able to reunify with their children. And the stories they shared of their struggles always caused me to have a tear in my eye. It's so heartwarming to see someone reach a goal and to have the smiling faces of those children with their parents.
Imagine a world where families have more housing options.
Imagine every parent in the child welfare system having a mentor.
Imagine a world where no one returns to foster care.
I see such generosity in the people at DAC who do this work. Such grace. They have been a joy to work with at every step.
I feel exceptionally honored and privileged to be able to work with the amazing staff at DAC. We have attorneys and social workers and mentor parents and administrators and office clerical staff, and every single person who works for DAC believes in the mission and is working tirelessly.
In this county, in this valley, to last 10 years is remarkable. The challenges for the next 10 years.
When DAC opened in 2008, we imagined better outcomes for families in Santa Clara County to preserve their integrity and empower parents to break cycles of system involvement. We have since provided family defense services to almost 8,000 parents and children in our community. Family defense is critically important, and DAC serves a community where need always outweighs resources. But we enter this next decade as a stronger, smarter organization. We have expanded our prevention work, increased our mentoring capacity, and built vital, sustainable partnerships. We don't have to imagine. We're empowering families to stay together.